Hi everyone, my name's Brian. I took a long time to get here. Had a severe dental decay from childhood, early adulthood, up until 6 years ago. Was told by a gentle dentist that I needed full mouth reconstruction. In those last 6 years, I've been doing research overseas, local, all on four, other techniques. I've been following Golpa since 2014. I always had a doubt of the authenticity of this. I just had my surgery yesterday. I can't be any happier than the results right now. So if you're having any doubts, this really does exist. You know, I wasn't expecting it to be this way. They really limit it here to like a family, everybody. You know, the whole staff here is wonderful. I'm super excited. I can smile again. And I kind of think of myself as an average Joe. I'm not super rich, I'm not super poor, but you know, I did something for myself. I'm 42 years old and I've got a jaw again and an upper lip and my confidence, and I want to thank everybody here at G4 for making this happen. Thank you.